Installing the EasyLogger is simple. Point your mobile browser to logger.mobi and click on the download button. Select the version that works best for you and click Download again. Install the APK once downloaded. If you get an error about outside apps, then be sure to enable the installation of apps outside of Play Store. Before moving forward, as part of the setup, enter your email and find the verification code in your email to verify your email. Create a password and click Register. EasyLogger needs several permissions on your phone to operate accurately. Enter the name of the device. This can be the name of the person using the device. Use Free or upgrade to Pro. Use a 1-month trial using the key Trial1M. Once your license is activated, you can go to Settings and see all the available options. Select Emergency Contacts. These will be called one after another when you click on the Help button. Set up a geofence so you get alerts when the device enters or exits a geographical area. Other features like fall alerts, inactivity alert, high ambient noise, and dangerous situation alerts can be configured or turned off. Reports that include all text messages, calls, app usage and other alerts can be configured to go out at a specific time as per your convenience. Be sure to take steps on the phone to disable battery optimization for the EasyLogger so the app can be stable on your device. Thank you for using the EasyLogger.